Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to share with you on how I made these date and nut balls that are covered with chocolate. So I'm toasting about 4 types of nuts, a quarter cup each. You don't have to use all the nuts. You can use whatever you like. You can use 2, you can use 3, or you don't have to use any. So I'm just going to warm them up. And as you can see, I'm just breaking them down. Then after that, I let them cool just for a little bit. While they're still warm, I just chop them. So I have used only half of this quantity for the 500 grams of dates. So I've removed the seeds from the dates and I'm just going to warm this up to make a nice paste. And to that I added cardamom powder and cinnamon powder. You can use also nutmeg if you want, and a little bit of sesame seeds. This is totally optional. I have shared this recipe before twice on my YouTube channel, so if you want it in depth, you can check it out. And it's also there for Swahili people. This is actually for my TikTok fans that don't know about my channel, so I'm only doing it in English. But kama unataka Kiswahili, ipo Kiswahili. So now as you can see, it's a nice paste, and then I added the nuts. We're just going to mix it well. And it's very simple. These are very delicious and perfect for gifts and whatnot. All right, so after that, I'm going to make these into nice ball shape. You can shape these however you want. And if you want to check out my YouTube video, okay, over there I've just got oil because it's really sticky. We did some moon and stars and coated them with coconut and different types of things that I did last Eid. You can check out that video. All right, so now, as you can see, I'm just going to make small balls, just like that. And for 500 grams of dates, that gave me about 15 pieces of these balls. And then after that, I kept it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to melt the chocolate wafers. This is especially for coating. You can use any brand that you want, or candy melts as they call them. But if you want to use real chocolate, please make sure that it's tempered. All right? So I did 20 seconds first, and then I went again for another 10 seconds until I get all the chocolate well melted. So this is the first method that I do, which I really don't use it much. Just like that, you have your fork and you pour the chocolate on top of it. And then I like to use the toothpick. It's easy for me, but you can use whatever you want to get these out, just like that. And then the second method that I like to use is just dipping and you want to work fast because the chocolate, the date balls are cold, yeah. So you want to work fast and then take it out just like that. The reason why I use candy melts or chocolate wafers is they coat very well. So for the white part, I like to use these. These are also wafers, which are called almond bark. You get them at Aldi's, but you can use any type of white chocolate. And as soon as you make your white chocolate, you want to put the topping immediately because it dries very fast. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this, you will find in full detail in my channel, Aroma of Zanzibar on YouTube. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.